Hi there! How are you doing today?
I'm great.
Welcome to Learn English.
I want to visit Cambodia.
Really? It's a beautiful country.
What can I see in Cambodia?
You can see Angkor Wat. It's amazing.
Is Cambodia safe to visit?
Yes, it's safe and people are friendly.
What is the weather like in Cambodia?
It's usually warm and sunny.
What food should I try in Cambodia?
You should try amok. It's delicious.
Is Cambodia expensive?
Not really. It's affordable.
How many days should I stay?
Maybe 1 week is good.
Where should I go first?
Go to Siem Reap to see Angkor Wat.
Do people speak English in Cambodia?
Yes, many people speak basic English.
What is the capital city?
The capital is Phnom Penh.
What can I do in Phnom Penh?
You can visit the Royal Palace.
Is the food spicy?
Some dishes are spicy, but not all.
What money do they use?
They use real and US dollars.
Can I find Wi-Fi easily?
Yes, most places have Wi-Fi.
Are hotels good in Cambodia?
Yes, there are many good hotels.
What language do people speak?
They speak Khmer.
Is it easy to travel around?
Yes, you can take tuk-tuks.
What airport should I fly to?
You can fly to Phnom Penh or Siem Reap.
Are the people nice?
Yes, Cambodian people are very kind.
What should I pack?
Light clothes and comfortable shoes.
Is Angkor Wat big?
Yes, it's very big and beautiful.
Do I need a guide?
A guide can help you learn more.
Can I take photos?
Yes, but be respectful at temples.
Is Cambodian food good?
Yes, it's tasty and fresh.
What drinks are popular?
Sugarcane juice and iced coffee.
How is the nightlife?
Phnom Penh and Siem Reap have fun nightlife.
Is it easy to get around by bus?
Yes, buses are cheap and easy.
What souvenirs can I buy?
You can buy silk, scarves, and carvings.
Do I need sunscreen?
Yes, the sun is strong.
Is the ocean nice in Cambodia?
Yes, you can visit Sihanoukville and islands.
What is the best time to visit?
November to February is the best.
Can I ride a bicycle in Angkor?
Yes, many people do that.
Are there good markets?
Yes, visit the night markets.
Can I try Khmer desserts?
Yes, try mango sticky rice and pumpkin custard.
Are temples crowded?
Sometimes, especially in the morning.
Can I use credit cards?
Yes, in big cities.
Is it easy to get a SIM card?
Yes, you can buy one at the airport.
Can I join a tour?
Yes, there are many tours.
Are there waterfalls?
Yes, Phnom Kulin has a nice one.
Should I try Khmer noodles?
Yes, they are very good.
Can I swim at the beaches?
Yes, the water is warm.
What animals can I see?
You can see elephants and monkeys in some places.
Is Cambodia crowded?
Some cities are busy, but many places are peaceful.
Do I need a visa?
Many visitors need a visa, but it's easy to get.
Is it easy to take photos of temples?
Yes, the temples are very photogenic.
What is the most famous place in Cambodia?
Definitely Angkor Wat.
Can I try Khmer barbecue?
Yes, it's fun and tasty.
What transportation is popular?
Tuk-tuks are very common.
Will I enjoy Cambodia?
Yes, almost everyone loves it.
Should I visit Cambodia soon?
Yes, you should. It's a great place.